Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this book, getting ready for the World Series of Poker this summer in Vegas. This book is called Vegas or Bust. A family man takes on the poker pros. I was very intrigued by this book. Here is the back. Ooh, it's about a family man who's entering the main event. Awesome. Vegas or bust. True. No gamble, no future. Yeah. Don't want to ruin anything, but this is the size of the text in the book. It's about halfway through. It's about page 90, page 108. No spoilers. And it's about 170 pages. So yeah, I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can buy this from. And let me know what you guys think of this book in the comment section. If you guys are watching this because you're entering the World Series of Poker this summer, best of luck to you all, and I'll see you at the main event final table. All right, everyone, take care. Later.